Hey guys, what is going on? We are back today at Sonny's house to work on his Jeep. So last time we did the front end, we did a lift kit, the 4-inch rough country springs, and the whole kit. So now we're gonna do the rear. He already has most of it done, so we're just gonna help him out in finishing the job. He's actually been doing a lot of work to the Jeep. He has the affordable off-road front bumper, which I think is actually really nice. It looks like it's really good quality too. It's modular as well. He also put in an iron rock track bar under here. He got it from somebody who upgraded to TrailBuilt, so he put that in himself. He has these pretty cool mounts for the LED lights as well, and they go like in between the door jamb, so it's out of the way to keep the LED pods straight instead of hooking it up here how I did on the other video. So yeah, here it is. Time to put in that spring and put in the shocks and try to remove the ball joint as well. So since this side already has the spring in, we're gonna lift this side up with the jack. That way on the opposite side, we got more room to play with and we're able to get the spring in. Yeah, it should be enough, and then we can just step on it. Yeah, put the bottom in. And then step on the brake too. So that's how you do the rear. Step on it, and it'll go down enough for you to get that in. Awesome, huh? So now you can let the other side down. Nice. So with the kit, we also have the A-arm spacer that we're gonna put here. So we're gonna take off these bolts, and it helps if you double up on 2 wrenches, and that gives you more torque, I guess, to be able to take them off. All right, so it's time to put the A-arm in. So that's that piece there, and just follow the holes pretty much. Put underneath. There we go. So an easier way to get these bolts in, because they're freaking long, is turn the whole thing over to the side, and then you can actually put it in. Somewhat. That way you can get the bolts in. Okay, there it is. And then the middle one here, you actually have this hole here, so you can actually get it in.
I'm good.
Yeah, screwed in. So a little update. That day we weren't able to get the A-arm in, so what Sonny ended up doing is purchasing another ball joint and A-arm kit, and he said that the new A-arm didn't fit, so he had to reuse the old A-arm but with the new ball joint, and he was able to get the screws in and onto the axle. So if you have trouble doing that, you might have to take off the whole thing just to get the A-arm spacer in. All right, so we are back at Sonny's house. As you can see, the Jeep is here. There's Sonny. And he actually did all the work on the A-arm. We didn't get to finish the other day, but he ordered a new one. The new one didn't fit. It was off of Amazon, but he was able to get the A-arm in. And he was just doing right now the tie rod and drag link ends down here. But I mean, the Jeep is actually coming out really nice. The wheels are from a JK, is that correct?
Yes, JK.
So JK takeoffs. If you get those, you have to buy new lug nuts because the ones off of a JK don't work. Or I guess you could use your stock ones, or no?
You can use stock one, yeah.
You can use your stock ones. So he has the affordable off-road bumper. He got this winch at a killer price. So it's a Badland winch. He got it for $200. Brand new. In box?
In box, yeah.
Wow. This guy's crazy. You got lucky. Other than that, it's all ready to go. So this is a 4-inch rough country lift kit. This is not the long arm version. It does come with extended lower front arms, so it kind of pushes the axle a little bit, aligns it a little bit more, but it's not adjustable. He has the roof rack on there. He has the light bar mounts. You got these from where?
From Mexico.
Mexico. So yeah, there's somebody out of Mexicali that sells these, and they ship it. I don't know, how much were they? Like 100?
Yeah, 170.
170? 170 shipped.
This is custom.
And then he put on the rack up here with the jack, a bunch of lights, rear view camera because you need that. He also added the decals back here, and he has this hitch mount rear spare tire carrier. So that's cool that he has all 5 matching wheels. This is the Jeep Quadra Drive HO, so it has a lot of power, and we're about to test drive it just to see how it drives, how it handles compared to my Jeep. So let's go ahead and drive it. So it's gonna need an alignment for sure, but I mean, let's see. As long as we don't get death wobble, we're good. And it only has 96,000 miles, if you can believe that. The HO has so much power. My Jeep won't do that.
No?
No. Alright, so we're gonna try it in the dirt just to see how it handles. I'm not gonna go fast, just to make sure everything's good and tight. Make sure there's no clunks too. Yeah. This is crazy. This is where they're gonna build houses. Yeah. Okay, I do feel something. Yeah, I feel something loose under me. Like right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It could be the drive shaft, but I don't know. We'll see when we get back. But I do feel it right, like right in my feet.
Oh, yeah.
So there it is. As you can see, the Jeep is solid. It's actually running really well. It does have a little bit of a noise under here. It could be the upper control arm bushing, so I told him to check that. But for today, we will be calling it a day. This Jeep has actually come a long way from how he got it to how it is now, so pretty cool. He's done a lot of modifications to it. So yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Anyways, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.